Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Epson printer error message code E1460-B305. The scanner is in use or unavailable. Please wait. So the first thing I recommend doing it to do a power cycle. For the printer or scanner, just go ahead and turn it off and then turn it back on, as well as turning your computer on and off again. As well, and see of that is maybe able to help resolve the problem. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first things to do is to open up on a search menu and then type mo lang dito yung printers and scanners, and then click mo lang dito yung open, and then madadirect tayo dito sa Bluetooth and device, and then dito sa printers and scanners. Okay, so pwede kang mag-add dito ng printer or scanners. Click mo lang tong add device, and then nandito naman yung mga available na printers. Okay, so ang gagawin mo lang dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung tamang printers. Okay, so nandito yung selections and settings niya. So i-click mo lang tong printer, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung printer settings. Okay, so pwede mo itong i-customize, and then once na magka-problem yung printer, pwede mo i-click tong run the troubleshooters, and then yung properties nandito rin, and references or other settings, hardware properties. Right? And the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin to, and then dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na fc/scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So kailangan lang natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix the scanner is in use or unavailable with error code E1460-B305. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.